Tell me how it goes. What did the hippos do? Uh-huh.
They go berserk.
Go berserk. One hippo all alone calls two hippos on the phone. Uh-huh. What happens next? Three hippos at the door. Bring along another four. Uh-huh.
Getting it wrong, Mom.
5 hippos.
5.
6 hippos. I know that 9 hippos show up for work, and then all the hippos go berserk. Right?